Hello, today we'll be comparing Keurig K-Slim Single Serve K-Cup Pot Coffee Maker versus Keurig K-Supreme Single Serve K-Cup Pot Coffee Maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Brewing capacity K-Supreme is better, water reservoir K-Supreme is better, brews range control K-Supreme is better, multi-stream technology K-Supreme is better, cup size compatibility is tie. Dimensions K-Slim is better, programmable features K-Supreme is better, pot compatibility is tie, ease of cleaning is tie, brew speed K-Supreme is better, auto shut off K-Supreme is better, noise level K-Slim is better, price K-Slim is better, special features K-Supreme is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable devices that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Keurig K-Supreme Single Serve K-Cup Pot Coffee Maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.